What's up, guys? Today we are going to be making some Goose sloppy joes. I'm super excited for it, and let's go ahead and get started. Is that alright? It's fine.
Hey, dumbass, get out of the way.
No, it's okay. He's fine. He's fine.
Oh, you guys are filming? I thought you already filmed it. You were doing an intro.
So we got all our ingredients here, but to start, I'm just gonna chop up some onions, get everything ready for after the ground meat is already cooked.
Yeah,
Mike, do you want to do the next part?
No, I think you should just do all of it.
Michael likes this.
Cut onion.
Got it dirty on the cover.
Not like that. Yeah, that wouldn't be my first choice.
You're so bad at cutting onions.
I'll do another take with like the proper way to cut an onion. How about that?
Okay. You gotta slap it on the table.
So we have here a ground goose concoction. I used about 20% pork fat. In terms of key ingredients, the key ingredient would be maple syrup. I put some maple syrup in it and a whole bunch of seasonings and spices. My buddy and I ended up spending a few hours just we had a whole table laid out and poured the maple syrup over it and kept folding it in, folding it in, folding it in. And we went ahead and freezer bagged it, and so this is the final product. But I'd say the main ingredient would be maple syrup.
Well, it'd be goose, but I mean,
well, the main ingredient is goose. Yeah.
Maple syrup too, but.
So we're gonna go ahead and brown this up and get ready for our sloppy joes. So for a few batches, we actually ended up putting a couple pieces of cheese in there so that there's meat in the cheese, so when you cook it, it'll melt through and stuff like that. One of the main spices that we use is called Slappy Mama. It's a Cajun seasoning that I put on just about everything. It's a little spicy, so use to your own taste. So now that our ground goose is nice and brown, we're gonna go ahead and add our manwich sauce. You can follow the instructions on the can. The can usually says, this big one is is good for about 2 pounds of meat. So manwich sauce is in the pan. Go ahead and mix it in with the ground meat, whatever you're using. In this case, it's gonna be goose. So now we're gonna let the manwich sauce and ground meat simmer on a very low heat to keep it fresh and keep it warm. Mix it again every 5 minutes once it starts to water up like that. So we're gonna go ahead and take these and throw them in the boiler to toast the bun. And then
Do you have anything to add? Nope.
what do you have to add? What should I add?
You gotta start calling them sloppy Jose's.
Oh, you burned the buns, dude!
Okay, well why are these ones more crispy than those ones?
Perfect.
Alright.
Good job, Mr. Jake Davitt.
Who uses 2 ovens
Once you pull-
to grab a pan like that?
He's like the hashtag slasher.
Oh, damn it. So, once the buns are nice and toasty, you're about ready to serve. The meat's done, the buns are done, and then add whatever fixings you want on top. Today we're going to be just doing some simple cheese, cheddar jack specifically for this occasion, and
Homemade potato salad.
oh yeah, and we're going to top it with a side of some homemade potato salad. I make it myself, so there's some lovely ingredients on the side there. I don't know who this wrestler guy is,
What's
but
in that, Jake?
a lot of eggs. There's some eggs in it. There's some potatoes, some spices. Potatoes, water, egg yolks, sugar, celery, water, pickle relish. That was fun to make. That pickle relish was fun to make.
Water in there 2 separate times?
Did I? I guess so. Make sure to turn the burners off so you don't burn the house down, or yourself, or anything.
And the oven. Turn the oven off when it's
And-
when you're done with it.
So we're gonna there's 2 different styles to eat sloppy joes. One style is open face and one style is closed. Have you never heard of that?
No.
So open face, you cover both of them. Open face. And then closed face is how you would traditionally serve a sloppy Joe, I feel like.
Oh, they're done.
They're done.
Cheese?
Oh, you know what?
Potato
Onions?
salad?
Potato salad? Oh, now we got elbow juice into it.
Go ahead and sprinkle some cheese, however much you want. Lastly, you're gonna take some onions. My fingers are clean. If your buddies are cool with you using your fingers, use your fingers. Otherwise, a spoon would also be recommended.
Those are very poorly chopped onions, Jake.
Bone apple teeth.
I get all this?
Hey, you wanted two?
I want an
Mama.
open-faced one.
You want an open face?
Open-faced.
Have your onions for dinner.
his, but not me.
Homemade potato salad again.
You sealed it as
For
well.
this. I did. Fancy. So for this, I would not recommend using your fingers. I would go ahead and use a spoon there.
For this, if your friends are cool with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you didn't add cheese?
Hey, wait. One bite. Everybody knows the rules, right?
No.
One bite. Everybody knows the rules.
No, I
No.
don't.
What are the
Dave
rules?
Portnoy pizza. Never mind.
You have napkins.
Dude, for a goose?
It tastes like a normal sloppy Joe.
For a goose, that's pretty good.
I don't really taste the goose, to be honest with you.
It's pretty good.
And most of the time, to cook geese, you just boil them in water with rocks and throw the meat away and eat the rocks, right?
Alright.
That's how you do it?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty solid.
It
Yeah.
actually doesn't taste like goose whatsoever.
I definitely taste the manwich.
Yeah. It kind of just tastes like. No, I'm just kidding. I only did that because I know you can edit.
Hey, wanna give me a little more cheese?
Oh, you want more now?
Yeah, I
You were
kinda
just
do.
making fun of me for putting some cheese on there.
Guy.
You know what would be so funny? You know what would be so funny? Is if instead of like cutting out us cussing, you just bleep everything.
Puts like quacks over top. So this recipe took about 15 to 20 minutes to make, and it's obviously easily shareable around the table with a bunch of friends. And I would highly recommend doing this with you and your friends, or whenever you're with anybody, for that matter, next time you harvest any geese and end up processing them. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and look for the next one.
Oh my god, dude! I'm so delayed.